Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to My Deep Guide. Well, here we are again. I was hoping that I wouldn't have to do another video regarding the new Remarkable Connect subscription, anything regarding it, because I was hoping that we've covered pretty much everything and that we can move on to more fun things such as Kobo Libre 2 and Kobo Sage. I mean, they just arrived today and it would be far more fun to actually start unboxing them, testing them and doing that kind of stuff, or addressing the new books products, or addressing the Supernote update, or addressing the QuirkLogic paper update 1.5, which is now old, but I haven't covered it. So plenty of other much more interesting things to do, but this one needs to be addressed as well. So let's get on it. So just to preface all of this, on October 12th, Remarkable announced their new subscription model, which is called Connect, which caused quite a bit of an uproar in the existing community and potential users for the Remarkable paper tablet. If you are unfamiliar with that, check out the links below, or the links at the end of this video, and you will see my detailed coverage on those things and clarification of certain things. Now, in my first video there, when the news first dropped of the Connect subscription, there was one of the things that was mentioned, and one of the users on the Facebook actually went through terms and conditions that have to be accepted, the new terms and conditions for the Connect subscription, basically for all of the users, and they noticed a section which was talking about the connection between warranty and the status of a Connect or a subscription customer, and that caused quite a bit of an uproar, justifyingly so, because the wording indicated that you might not have warranty unless you are a Connect subscription customer. And there were several people on Facebook groups who were adamant that it's just the wording and it's taken out of context and it's not correct and blah, 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 blah. Either way, long story short, that opened the door to a lot of speculation. I'm not a fan of speculation at all. So I reached out to Remarkable directly with two very, very concrete questions. I have two follow-up questions in regards to the updated terms and conditions, and I was hoping that you could clarify them for me. The following paragraph says, there is no warranty for products and or accessories that have been purchased by customers that do not qualify as continuous Connect customer, including customers who cancels or downgrade their associated Remarkable Connect subscription. That is the paragraph in question, and that is the wording in question. So I'm wondering if you could clarify if that means that if a hypothetical customer buys Remarkable 2 plus Marker Plus plus magnetic flipbook cover and a Connect subscription of 3 months, basically the offer that allows the $100 discount, and then the customer decides to go on the no plan, effectively downgrading their Connect subscription. Does that mean that they lose their continuous Connect customer status? And do they then lose the warranty on the Marker Plus and magnetic flipbook cover 3 months after the purchase? If not, is it then the case that a customer who has always been on the no plan and then decides to buy a Marker Plus, for example, and still decides to remain on the no plan, do they not have any kind of warranty for that product? Or does it refer to customers who buy accessories secondhand, not directly from Remarkable? So as you can see from the question, I was very, very adamant and to use clear wording, very clear type of case scenario, so that we get black and white clarification, no ifs or buts, to know exactly what it is. And their answer to that is, first of all, thank you for reaching out to us directly to get clarification. I will do my best to answer your questions as detailed as possible, which is great. Our warranty is currently only available upon purchasing our products via our web shop, together, bold, with a prepaid Connect subscription. Should a customer in this case choose to cancel or downgrade their subscription, they will automatically lose the extended warranty that comes with Connect. Since the warranty only applies to Connect subscribers, customers without a Connect subscription will not be granted a warranty upon purchasing our products. With this being said, most countries have consumer rights that include legal rights to a return and a replacement. We kindly suggest that you find out what rules apply in your country with regards to a possible return. So The positive side of it is that we have finally gotten a no ifs, buts, or kind of sideways type of an answer. This is a very, very clear answer. However, the negative thing is that it, what it clarifies is what it just said. Basically, if you don't have a Connect subscription, you don't have extended warranty. So that's the confirmation of what we were talking about before, and the staunch defenders of the Remarkable should also heed this, because it's not about the wording, it's not about it being taken out of context, it is actually what is happening. This is the reality of it, and it's a good idea to actually face it and to be aware of it. My second question was in relation to another paragraph also in the terms and conditions of the Connect subscription, and it says, the following paragraph says, Remarkable may terminate your user account with immediate effect if you are in material breach of any provisions of the Connect agreement. Material breach includes, but is not limited to, use Remarkable Connect as part of any crime or illegal behavior, including without limitation all kinds of fraud. Makes sense. Use of the Remarkable Connect in a manner that may result in losses or the risk of loss for Remarkable or any third party also makes sense. Attempts by you to amend Remarkable Connect makes sense, or to use any other software or hardware other than Remarkable software or hardware or third-party applications approved by Remarkable to access or use Remarkable Connect features or services. My question regarding this paragraph is, I'm wondering, how does the underlined section apply to users who are using one or more of the many non-Remarkable approved third-party software solutions that are quite popular among Remarkable users, such as DDVK and others, including the custom template loader and all that kind of stuff? Does this mean that if users use such software extension that they can have their user account terminated? And is there a list of Remarkable approved third-party software that would not be in violation of this clause? Because this specifically mentioned, or third-party applications approved by Remarkable. I don't know what that actually means, and their reply is a little bit less clear here. As stated in our terms and conditions, any attempt to use third-party software to modify or gain access to Connect features is regarded as a breach of the Connect agreement. Although we reserve the right to terminate a subscription where the agreement has been breached, we will of course take individual consideration of each case. I truly hope that I was able to answer your questions in a satisfactory manner, which they, for the most part, did. So let me just be very, very clear. I think that this clause for software just makes perfect sense. And this is something that every company has and every company should have, because what essentially says it's we cannot be held responsible if a non-approved software or a hack screws up your device. That makes absolutely perfect sense. However, the Remarkable is in a very peculiar situation here because of its limited functionalities and limited updates and, all of that kind of stuff that you already know. Quite a few users resort to using these non-approved hacks. They tend to call them improvements or add-ons and stuff, but the truth is they are not approved add-ons, they are hacks. And until you have a seal that it's approved by Remarkable, or that Remarkable recognizes it, or that Remarkable becomes, which is like a really fat chance for that right now, but if, for example, hypothetically, Remarkable became truly open source, then these would be add-ons. But at the moment, they are hacks because they are not supported by the company, they are not supported by the device, they are not supported by the platform, OS, etc., etc. And this is why I believe that it was very, very important to inform users, because a lot of users are not aware that if you install a DDVK, or if you install any application that gets access to your Remarkable, even loading custom templates and stuff like that, can technically be considered and is modification or unauthorized modification of the Remarkable software, and that puts you into the category your account can be terminated. Now, the chances of that are really slim. Very, very, very slim. So I'm just issuing a warning or a caution for the users to understand that yeah, of course you can do that. The likelihood that something bad is going to happen to you or that your Connect subscription or account is going to be canceled are extremely minute, like really, really small. But the chances are there because it's right there in the terms and agreement, and it's an important part that you need to be aware of. So when you reach your decision, that you weigh your options correctly, and then you say like, yeah, it's a risk, but it's a small enough risk, so I'm willing to do it, or it's a risk that I'm not willing to take. That's an individual responsibility and a decision, so the choice is totally yours, but I wanted you to be aware of this thing, clearly. So those are the two questions that I also wanted clarified, especially the one with the warranty, because that one is really, really important to clarify. My opinion on that is that I believe that it's completely ridiculous and it just kind of digs the hole even deeper. So I'm really interested in your opinion to hear in the comments down below. What I'm puzzled by this is who is meant to be a new post-October 12th customer of a Remarkable. Now, right before the Black Friday, Cyber Monday and Christmas season, to do something like this. So if you're an existing customer, you already have Connect subscription, and again, legally they have to keep it that way because you're keeping your warranty, because that's how you bought it, with those legal rights. And of course, as they clearly mentioned, there are some local laws or country-specific laws that do grant you a certain type of warranty. This is just regarding their extended warranty. So that's something to definitely keep in mind. But what really, really surprised me is that there are no ifs or buts, and it's not accessories only, it's the device itself. So that actually means that if you buy the Remarkable with the no plan, that you don't have an extended warranty on the device regardless of when you paid for it, or if you buy it for, with a Connect subscription for 3 months and then you cancel, effectively you get an extended warranty for 3 months. But usually the companies kind of offer extended warranties as a perk and as a thing that actually, which will make you as a customer more comfortable and more relaxed to actually buy a device from a certain producer. And now, very strange decisions. I honestly can't say that I understand them at all. For me, the main question is, who is the Remarkable as a platform with these things, with the subscription and with the warranty thing? Who is this aimed for? Like, who is supposed to buy this, and who is supposed to say, yep, sign me up, this is good, I want all of this? Especially at the price point, which is really, really high. So I just wanted to cover this because I think it's an important clarification for users and customers to know exactly what's what. And I'm really hoping now to move on to more fun things, newer products, newer things, news, and all that kind of fun stuff. And that's coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye.